In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the problems that you have with the camera on Instagram. So all what you have to do is very simple. There is two ways actually that I'm going to show you on this video. The first way is you have to go to the settings, scroll down, go to the apps manager page. On this page you will find the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. All what you have to do is scroll down until you find Instagram and then click on it. After you click on it, it will take you to the app informations page as you can see right here. All what you have to do on this page is very simple. Just click on this for stop and then go to the notifications management. Make sure to enable all those permissions like this. Choose allow notifications. Go back and click on the permissions. Now on this permissions page, but make sure to enable all the permissions. Go back again, click on data usage. Make sure also to enable all those network access options. Go back, click on storage, click here on clear data, clear cache. Go back again, click on the power usage details. Make sure to disable the power consumption alert and enable it again. Go back and now restart your phone and then reopen Instagram, and congratulations, see you in the next video.